Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg and today we're going to take a look at the Euro New Zealand. This is part 2, follow-up video. I posted a potential stop hunt for the Euro New Zealand. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description below. It would make sense for you to check out that video first, just so you have the background information for what I'm about to discuss. Anyway, what we were looking at? Well, originally we were looking at this channel here. I was wanting this channel to develop somewhat before seeing a stop hunt. But what actually happened here is we actually pushed up another level right into this zone here. And we started to consolidate once more. This generated a nice amount of trader stops up above this level. This was obviously acting as liquidity. You've got some stops down here that are going long, stops here going short, a nice mix. We were looking for a manipulation of the market, also known as a stop hunt, in order to get short. So what happened? Well, we actually got that manipulation. We came up, took all these stops out, dropped back below. We even retested the level, which would have encouraged more people to go long here. Obviously, you got people going long here as this thing is breaking out. All the breakout traders, they're all jumping on board, and it's popped back down. They're all starting to panic. We've looked like a retracement, so you've got the retracement traders. Let's just get a fib. Oh, that's the wrong one. $618 traders, they're all piling in there. 50 to 618 traders, they're all piling in there to go long for a continuation. Drops back below. We have this retest and a failure, and you could have got in around here. That would not have seen you too much pain. We did actually make another push up, so you could even argue that that is potentially a double top, and price equaled, or the wick equaled the left side, but nonetheless stops above here, you wouldn't have run into any trouble, and we pushed quite successfully down to these lows. Now we did have a brief push below this area. This is obviously key area, target 1, which is the lows. If you would have got yourself involved in here, or I mean, a better risk to reward would have been the double top, but you obviously don't always get that. So let's say you're in there and you're shooting for the bottom or a 2 to 1. Well, you actually get your 2 to 1 before you hit the bottom. We did push a little bit lower, so, nearly a 2 to 5, 2.5 to 1. But let's call it 2 to 1 if that's what you're shooting for. Unfortunately, this thing then reversed and the euro proceeded to scream. I did have some extended targets that I was looking at, target 2, target 3. Obviously the market had other plans. But yeah, I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope you enjoy this type of analysis. If you do, please give it a like, give it a share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.